Hi there, welcome to Tuesday's market commentary. Taking a look right now. We got the NASDAQ up here. Let's just start off with the S&P 500. And we'll pull up a chart here, the SPX. And our chart here, S&P 500. Let's go ahead and just kind of mark it up a little bit here. You can see that we've got a nice little support area right down through here. Just going to draw a line coming across here. And we hit that level here just a couple of days ago. And we kind of formed that support. Looks like it's holding here temporarily, starting to bounce back up off that today. Now my MACD lines are still dropping, which is right down through here a little bit bearish, but the histograms, you can barely see it here, have stopped dropping and kind of flattened out a little bit. So what does that mean? It's a little too early to say that this is an exact bottom coming down through here. Let's see if we can't find those histograms right in through here. But we went through here sideways a couple of days, based around for a little bit, and then we started to pop back up. Good day on Monday, and then the good news was is today we kind of followed through just a little bit, not a whole bunch of follow through, but we refused to sell off today, which was the good news. So even after a really nice day here on Monday, Tuesday we didn't give any of it back and actually closed up just a little bit, with the Dow up 27, NASDAQ up 7, S&P up about 5. So the good news is that we've got a little bit of a bottom forming right down through here. So the support right back in through here was the same support here, same support coming across through here. So it looks a little bit bullish there. So we're going to call that one there just slightly bullish, and we'll see that resistance is right up here around 950. Come up here right around 950, right around through here, 950 level, and support we're going to call it right down here at the lows here late last week about 870. So we're going to call the trading range for the S&P between 870 and 950, and I'm going to go slightly neutral to slightly bullish at the moment here, hoping we're going to get a little bit of a rally back to the upside. If we only make it to about 930 before we start to sell off right in through here at 930, then we'll probably start to make right back down to the lows here at 880, maybe even drop a little bit lower. But right now it looks like we're going slightly bullish, at least to the 930, but hopefully up to the 950 level. All right, let's go ahead and bring up the NASDAQ as well and see how that one's looking for us. And we can see that the NASDAQ was also up just a little bit as we pull up the chart for it coming across. Oh, wrong ticker symbol. Let's try that one. Okay, here's our NASDAQ. And you can see a nice little sideways pattern moving across through here. And again, just like on the S&P, the MACDs are ticking up just a little bit on the histograms, holding this little support area down through here, bouncing up a little bit. I'm not really quite neutral, slightly bullish here. I'm just a little bit more neutral on the index, hoping that we're going to hold these little support levels, maybe try to get a bounce back up to the 1880, 1890 levels up there. Be nice to jump that high. Not quite sure if we're going to, but we'll see if it goes up there. So let's go ahead and post our ranges. All right, S&P 500 short term, we're neutral to bullish with resistance at 950 and support at 870. NASDAQ, we're a little bit short term neutral, and longer term maybe a little more bearish of NASDAQ if we don't start to get any kind of a rally off of this news through here. Resistance 1880, support 1720. All right, hope that helps, and good luck with your trading.